technology is very important. The dependence of technology in the jewelry industry is getting more and more importance, and it can be seen in the show with a lot of foreigners also coming to contribute to their technology. And to this effect, let me introduce you. That's Mr. Joachim from Germany with his German technology. That's Mr. Gianni from Italy with Italian technology. So if you see, it's technology from all over the world, and will make a big difference to the jewelry trade. I expect a stable government. I expect the policies to remain for a longer period of time, not change. We are happy with the new laws, with the new GST laws, with the new import laws, but we hope that it stays stable.
I represent Sisma. I'm the sales manager of Sisma, and here we are showing for the first time our 3D printer machine, studied for raising, for modeling, and we think to propose something as an innovation in jewelry market in terms of prototyping field. We have a machine studied with 3 heads. So there is an advantage, there are some advantages to get this system. Is one head with the 3 platforms. The 3 platforms rotate singularly. Practically we can create a job in platform number 1. At the end, when the job is at ending, it moves in number 2 and then in number 3. So we have a lot of autonomy of working without to be preceded by operator. And in the same time, we emphasize the quality on geometrical construction of pieces. Very, very precise pieces, some of them I'm showing, which have a lot of technique, which are complicated and require a very high technology. We have considered some specific points of the jewelry market in India, where there are fine jewelry with stones, and we believe that this application moves very well into that specific application of jewelry. Here we see some potential of this machine with different steps. The model built by resin, the same model after curing, and with the zircon settings. This is a job, a specific job that shows the skills of these technologies.
One issue in the jewelry industry is to get a good pink color. Pink plating sort of tarnishes with most of the chemistries, and to preserve it, to have it long lasting, to have a good gloss, a good image, solutions are available with my German counterpart.
The most problem of tarnishing rose gold colors is that while plating or casting, the alloy is not proper to the 18 karat. In casting, this is not a point, but in plating, usually by handling, the alloy composition fails by different parameters. So if this happens, it can be tested, checked, and then later on repaired why the tarnishing happened. By current density, by proper chemistry, and several parameters can be adjusted, you reach the right caratage. With anti-tarnish solutions, you can create a very thin, invisible protection layer on top of your jewelry, mainly for silver and rose gold colors, to prevent tarnishing, even if the pieces get touched or rubbed or weared like rings and all kinds of jewelry. The tarnishing always happens if the caratage is below 18 karat, and this is a major problem because a lot of designers want to have more reddish jewelry. If you prevent and you stay with 18 karat or even higher caratage, the piece will not tarnish. But to test is always a difficult thing if no proper equipment is available. Not everybody has, for example, X-ray machines or different. So with easy drop test solutions, it's possible to make a fast drop on the jewelry, wait for a certain time and check if there's a tarnishing effect on this drop, or if still the good yellow reddish color is appearing. So with this check, it's an easy step to see for QC if everything is done properly while the plating, and if it occurs that more spots occur, so you have to do something in the plating. Usually, if all is followed by the operating instruction, the maintenance is done properly, this should not happen, but in production the life is always different than in a laboratory. To teach workers, to teach the operators is my job to do, is the job of Umicore Electroplating, to give all the technology with our products, with our precious metal chemistry to the customers, that they have a full support package, that they get trained to handle all the chemistry properly and reach a good and high-end quality with our products. We are very successful with this technology worldwide. We supply to all fashion brands and real jewelry brands around the world, with not just rose gold colors, but as well as all kinds of yellow gold colors, as well as for rhodium plating, platinum plating, and other precious metals, silver, and other specific non-precious metal platings as well.